Engaging in physical exercise every morning offers a range of benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. Here are some advantages. 1. Boosts mood and mental well-being. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 2. Increases energy levels. Regular morning exercise helps kickstart your metabolism and provides a natural energy boost, setting a positive tone for the day. 3. Enhances cognitive function. Physical activity has been shown to improve cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. 4. Aids in weight management. Regular morning exercise helps regulate appetite and metabolism, contributing to better weight control and body composition. 5. Strengthens immune system. Consistent physical activity supports a healthy immune system, reducing the likelihood of getting sick. 6. Improves cardiovascular health. Morning exercise can help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Promotes better sleep. Regular physical activity can improve the quality of your sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest. 8. Enhances stress management. Exercise helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol, providing a natural way to manage and reduce stress levels. 9. Increases productivity and focus. Morning exercise has been shown to enhance productivity and focus throughout the day, potentially leading to higher levels of achievement. 10. Promotes longevity and aging well. Regular exercise is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases and can help maintain mobility and independence as you age. 11. Improves bone health. Weight-bearing exercises in the morning can help build and maintain healthy bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 12. Boosts confidence and self-esteem. Achieving fitness goals and feeling physically strong can significantly enhance your confidence and self-esteem. 13. Fosters a healthy routine. Morning exercise sets a positive tone for the day and can help establish a routine that includes other healthy habits. 14. Provides time for reflection and mindfulness. Morning exercise can serve as a time for introspection, meditation, or mindful movement, contributing to mental well-being. 15. Enhances social interaction. Engaging in group activities or exercising in a community setting can provide opportunities for social interaction and connection. Remember, it's important to choose exercises that you enjoy and that align with your fitness level and goals. Additionally, consulting a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have underlying health concerns, is advisable. Feel free to like and share this video if it helped you, or if you think it could help someone else. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell icon for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. Take care.